morning children. Today let's we learn about phonic sound of A. E sound words. How we can say E sound? Hereafter you don't say E sound words. You say A sound words. A sound words. Fe, id, fed. Fe, id, fed. Te, id, ted. Te, id, ted. Ve, id, ved. Ve, id, ved. Be, id, bed. Be, id, bed. Fe, id, fed. Te, id, ted. Ve, id, ved. Be, id, bed. Ke, ig, king. Ke, ig, king. Ke, ig, king. Pe, ig, pig. Pe, ig, pig. Re, ig, red. Re, ig, red. Le, ig, leg. Le, ig, leg. Ke, ig, king. Pe, ig, pig. Re, ig, red. Le, ig, leg. J, ig, jet. J, ig, jet. Me, ig, meg. Me, ig, meg. Ge, ig, get. Ge, ig, get. Le, ig, leg. Le, ig, leg. J, ig, jet. Me, ig, meg. Ge, ig, get. Le, ig, leg. De, in, den. De, in, den. De, in, den. He, in, hen. He, in, hen. Me, in, men. Me, in, men. Pe, in, pen. Pe, in, pen. De, in, den. He, in, hen. Me, in, men. Pe, in, pen. Fed, ted, wed, bed. Kid, pet, red, leg. Jet, met, get, leg. Then, head, med, pen. Okay children, spell and read the A sound words. Thank you children.